Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how you can make a colorful text animation. Okay, how you can make a colorful text animation with the help of HTML and some CSS properties. Okay, let's start the topic. Now you can see in this editor, I have just written a text that is Mohit Tutorials within the H1 tag, that is heading 1 level tag. Okay, and before proceeding with the tutorial, I would like to show you the output which we want to generate. Okay, this is the output which I want to generate. See, this is the text, and you can see it's a color animation of the text, and each text is changing the colors one by one, and it is repeating itself. Okay, this is the concept which I am going to tell you on. Okay, now you can see after writing this particular text, you have to implement some CSS properties for this, and you all know how to implement your internal CSS. Before closing the head tag, you can see before closing the head tag, you will implement a style tag over here, and with the help of type property, just define this particular value, that is type text/CSS. Okay, and then close the style tag over here. See, whenever you want to implement CSS properties, okay, you have to use the style tag before closing the head tag. It means within the style tag, whatever you will write will be the CSS properties. Okay, now in this particular style tag, I want to give the properties of this particular H1 tag. Just give the reference of that particular H1 tag. Okay, within the H1 tag, within the curly braces, just define some properties which I want to set. Let it be, I want to set its font size. Let it be 140 pixels I want to set, and then I want to set its font style, that is font family. I set, let it be this font. Okay, this is as per your own requirement, that what type of font style, what size you want to set. This is as per your own requirement. Okay, now I want to align this text toward the center of the screen. Just mention the property, that is text alignment, that is center. Okay, now these are the three common properties which I have set. Just save the file, and I have saved the file with this name, that is color_text, and try to double click on the file which I have just made to see its output. Okay, just double click it. You can see this is the output which I have written with this code. Okay, now what I want is I want to animate this text as a colorful text animation. Okay, one more thing, this one I want that body background color should be black. Then you have to give the reference of the body tag. Okay, body is a tag, and I want to set the property of this body is, that is background color, that is black. Okay, it means whenever you refresh the page after saving the file, you can see the body background color is black and your text color is also black. Okay, that's why your text is not visible. Now after that, now what our main concept is, I want to animate this text in the form of colors. Okay, it means in CSS, whenever you want to animate anything, you have to give a animation a name. Okay, you have to give animation a name. For that purpose, within the H1 tag, I just give a name, animation name. It can be any name. Let it be, I say, color text. This is the name of the animation which I have given. As you can give any of the name as per your own requirement. Okay, after this, I just want to mention its duration, that your animation is of what duration, maybe 1 second, maybe 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. This is as per your own requirement. I say let it be 1s, let it be 5s this first time. Okay, it means your animation will run up to 5 seconds. This is the duration of the animation, 5s. You can give 10s, 15s as per the requirement. Okay, now after giving this particular properties of the heading tag, now I want to make the animation. See, I have not made the animation yet. I have just given the name of the animation and the duration of the animation. Okay, to make the animation CSS, we have some keyframe properties. For that, you have to write @keyframes. Okay, keyframes. This you have to write. And then after that, you have to give the name to the animation, and you all know what our animation name is, this one, color text. Okay, just give the name of the animation over here, color text, and then within the curly braces define its animation properties, that what kind of animation you want to play. Okay, remember one thing, after giving the name to the animation and duration of the animation, just mention @keyframes and name the animation which I have just made. Okay, which I have just given. Now after giving the name, within the curly braces, your animation completes in a sequence. Your animation plays in a sequence. that is in sequence is in percentage, that is starting is 0% and ending scale is that is 100%. Okay, if I say let it be 0%, 0% means it's the starting stage, starting of the animation, that at the beginning of the animation what kind of properties I want to set. I want to set the color of the text should be red. This is the very first property which I want to set. Okay, and if I say let it be, I said that your animation sequence will remain from 0 to 100%. Okay, 0 is the starting scale, starting point, and 100 is the ending point. In between 0 to 100%, you can make a sequence of many percentage like 0%, 10%, 20%, 30%, or the gap of 20%, maybe 0%, 20%, 40% as per the requirement. I say at 20%, I am just going to make the sequence of 20%. Okay, 20%, I say within the color basis color, I say green. Okay, and then after that 40%, which color I want to set, let it be blue color, and at 60% I want to set, let it be magenta color, let it be a yellow color. Okay, and at 80% level I want to set it, say let it be purple color. Okay, any color you can set, and at the end of the animation set the same color as the first one for the smooth running of the animation. See, I have just mentioned these sequence 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. This is up to your own requirement. I have just made 1, 2, 4, 6 stages. Okay, if you want to maintain 10 stages, just use 0%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, and yet at each percentage define the different color. Okay, remember one thing, at the starting level or at the ending level, okay, your animation properties should remain same. Okay, this is not mandatory, but if you set the properties same, then your animation will run smoothly. Okay, now try to save this, save the file and try to refresh this file. This was the file name of ours. Okay, just refresh the web page, you can see your text will start changing the color. But remember one thing, it is running only one time. See, it stops playing. Now again you have to refresh this to play it. Okay, now your animation is running only one time. What I want is, I want to repeat this animation infinite time. Okay, so that it will not stop. So it means whenever you give the properties animation name, animation duration, one more property you have to give, that is animation iteration count, that is infinite. It means your animation will repeat infinite number of times. It will not stop. It will repeat automatically n number of times. Okay, save the file and try to refresh the web page. You can see your animation will not stop running. It will play continuously. See, it is repeating itself. Okay, now if you want to increase the speed, okay, if you want to increase the speed or you want to slow down the speed, okay, you have to change its animation duration. Okay, if I set it as 1 second, you can see it will run fast. Okay, because it will cover, just refresh the page now. See it is running fast. Okay, now again if I want, let it be 0.2 second, it means it will increase more speed. See, this is as per your own requirement, that what speed you want to maintain. Okay, so let it be, I say 0.5 should be the exact speed which I want to set, that is half second. See, this is the changing color text animation which you can place on your web page, on your websites with the help of HTML and some CSS properties. Okay, this is a concept. Okay, hope you are understand this particular concept. Okay, if you are liking my videos, okay, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for your support. Thank you.